To give you a bit of context, first of all, I became mortgage qualified in 2003. Now, I'd had several jobs up until that point, which were temporary, and I didn't really know what I wanted to do. And my dad said to me, why don't you go and work for a bank? So they had a job as a cashier locally, thought I would take that. And from opening customer accounts, I was good at getting people across to get their bank accounts open. So the bank fast-tracked me across within a couple of weeks to start opening bank accounts. Then once I got to that stage, I was really good at getting people across to the mortgage advisor and the financial advisor. So then they said, do you want to become a mortgage advisor? To which I said, yeah, why not? I enjoyed sales, I enjoyed building relationships. And essentially, the qualification that I did in 2003 is the same qualification that is available today. And the examinations are nigh on the same examinations that you do today. Yes, there are a couple of regulatory changes, but they're nigh on the same. So what I did, which you can go and do if you want to research, is CeMAP, C-E-M-A-P, Certificate of Mortgage Advice and Practice. And that is 3 examinations. There are other ones which you could Google, which are CF, 1, 2 and 3, or CII qualifications. Now, there are companies out there who can fast track you through your CeMAP qualification. You can contact the IFS and they will be able to give you the books that you can then go through, and you can self-teach and you can learn, and they say it takes around about 50 hours of learning. You get 2 massive manuals that you need to read, or you can go on the courses and you can pay, and within a week or 2 you can become CeMAP qualified. So CeMAP number 1 talks about all the regulations, all the rules, all the guidelines, everything that's really important in and around our industry. And that's ultimately going to give you the foundational understanding of financial services. CeMAP 2 talks about all the products: life insurance, critical illness, income protection, pensions, ISAs, mortgages, all the different options, interest rates, and takes you through a bit of product knowledge. CeMAP 3 is then case studies of how you apply CeMAP 2 in the real world to certain circumstances to make sure that you understand the product knowledge. So CeMAP 1 and 2 are multiple choice. There's an element of multiple choice in CeMAP 3 as well. So that's why it was good for me, because I was not particularly good at GCSE level, but I was great at GNVQ in business because it was multiple choice and coursework. Now, the one thing that the examinations don't do is give you real world understanding of how to do the job. They teach you some basic knowledge, but there's no application. And the real world of being a mortgage broker is about application. It's about logic. It's about case studies, different scenarios, understanding how you match your client to the right mortgage lender, but also give them the right advice, the right product, make sure that it's suitable, make a recommendation and give advice.